Hey guys, Trent here with another episode of Build on Moto. This week we're in Houghton Lake, checking out some trails there. We didn't quite make it to one of the marked trails, but they were still 50s, and just something right off the trailhead you can kind of enjoy. So I'll kind of show you where we're at there and put up a little picture. But the trail was pretty fun. We had a good time, and this week was one of those chill rides. We hadn't been out in a couple weeks, and we really wanted to get out there. So Justin's with me in his RMZ 450. I got the KTM 250, and yeah, we'll get to check it out. Some trees down, a little bit of sand, and I got to get on the RMZ for a little bit. So stay tuned, enjoy, and we'll see you guys later. Also, thank you so much for 200 subscribers. We're rolling over that. The goal this year is 500. We're getting closer every day. And yeah, I'll leave my Instagram and Facebook if you want to see anything early. Check out those. Make sure you just kind of join those areas. You can see what's going on early. I like to post a reel once a week, maybe twice depending on what's going on. And every once in a while I get some pictures of the event. So check those out and yeah, enjoy the video. All right, there we go. Riding over here, we're just outside of Houghton Lake. Got Justin's here, he's got his 450 with us. We're gonna have a pretty good time today. Excited to get some ride time in. My camera or my phone out here. We're gonna start. Gotta be careful, the closer I get to the camera for these dudes that are watching online, they start to see my passcode. Can't have that, you guys. You're not seeing my passcode. But yeah, we're gonna get a good ride. I forgot my gloves like a dummy, which stinks, but we're gonna try this trail out. There's one right here that starts off that looks pretty close to a 50. We're gonna ride it for a little bit, see where it takes us, and then from there, we're gonna try and reach a 50. There's I believe it's like a 15, 16 mile loop right around the corner here. So, you ready, Justin?
I'm ready.
All right, I'm ready as well. Let's get these bikes started up and we'll get rolling. All right, so no Insta360 cam view. I forgot my Insta360, so see how this goes. Nice little warm-up spot there. All right, let's roll. Been here yet, Houghton Lake, like I said, and I'll kind of tell you exactly what this is. I think it's over by Higgins, technically. We kind of went all the way around Houghton to get here. It's a Monday afternoon. Monday afternoon for a nice ride. Decent amount of stuff down so far. Out a new lens today too. I kind of wish I had remembered my Insta360 SD card, so that kind of stinks, but it's okay. There's a lot of whoops, you guys. Nice deep whoops, holy crap. Whew. Those were deep. They're like, you can't rhythm those. You know what I mean? Don't mind that oil leak. There she goes. Catch my breath. I sat too much last week. I was sick.
Oh yeah.
Whew. Ah.
That was what their thing was Eco.
What's that?
Their thing was Eco.
This thing?
Yeah.
You want to try it?
Sure.
Makes me want to buy an RMC, I'm not gonna lie. Found neutral there, sorry guys. Almost bar down a little bit if I'm not careful. I do miss my 450, but his feels a lot lighter and more playful, I feel like. Suspension's also a little light for me. I don't know what it is with me and finding neutral, but I find it all the time. Branches down here to keep you busy for months. What do you think of that thing?
It's what?
It's a fun little 250. Oh shoot, my bag. My tool bag fell out.
What? What?
My tool bag came out. I had it clipped into this.
Well,
Want to run back real quick, see if you can find it? Find neutral on yours. Found it. Thank you, Lord. The bag's thing ripped off. See if I can fit it in here. That's hilarious.
I wonder how it just blew out.
I'll tell you how. There we go. Forgot to restart. Oh, look at that sharp stick. Hopefully you guys can see this, but this trail is worth it. I think this is the loop. Lost grip there a little bit. Sorry, guys. You got it? I'm a little stuck. Saved it. We're good. Didn't go down. Doesn't count. Doesn't count unless you go all the way down.
Dude, I locked my brakes up for that.
Dude, that tree.
I was ripping through that.
That tree would have hurt.
Yeah.
That's an overbar tree. Oh, come on, girl. only takes that one tree.
Yeah.
He's so comfortable on a bike, it's not even funny. That was a good section.
Yeah. I think we're still on our loop.
I think so. You want to check it?
Yeah, sure. Might as well.
They're not too deep.
I'm so.
Ooh, almost. Almost for me. Kicking my behind. Must be in a really high gear. Oh yeah, fourth gear. That'll do it right.
Woo! Oh, too much. Whew. Too much. Second gear is not a putzing gear. Made it back.